do our usual sky check, as I do in Australia. Looking like clear blue skies today. There's the sun. Yeah, so yeah, nice day out here. Doesn't appear to be much rain. So it rained a little bit yesterday, but the concrete's a little bit wet, but that's probably because they've been washing it down, I think. So go for a bit of a wander, I think, and see where we go. Once you get out onto the main streets here, it's quite busy. Busy, busy, busy. We'll just keep walking for a while. See if we can get across the road. Very busy, isn't it? Do you mind if I try and cross the road with you? I'm not very good at crossing the road here. Oh, okay. Is there like an intersection where I can cross further down? No. No? How do you cross the road? Oh, there's a crossing for people to go over? There's a guard there. Like 100 meters, a couple hundred meters? He assessed you, there's a guard. Yeah, just keep going down there. Okay, thanks. Oh, hello. Do you know if there's a crossing, how I get across without getting run over? Yes. Yeah, where do I go to cross the road?
Like, where do you want to go, sir?
I want to go to the mall.
Mall?
Yeah. Oh, not the mall,
there's also a mall here.
The convenience store.
Convenience. There's a mall here, Ayala.
Yeah, I know that one.
And Country Mall.
Yeah.
Where do you go?
The convenience store, actually.
Just go there.
Yeah. Alrighty. I'll follow you. Cool. Thanks so much. Oh, thank you. Yeah, take this. Alright. Alrighty. Across the road. Not the easiest to do, but yeah, we made it nonetheless. Alrighty. So, I'm gonna head off to the convenience store now and get some snacks. So I'm pretty sure it's up this way. There's a lot of activity going on here. It's a lot more busy than what goes on in Perth, that's for sure. Hello. It looks like it could be someone's house over there or something. Motorbikes, motorbikes. Drop to the water. Hello. Are there dogs down there? Oh, doggy. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Will this take me down to the convenience store?
Oh, no. 7-Eleven this way.
Oh no, there's a different convenience store. Nothing down that way?
No.
Okay, hang on. I'll show you the one I mean.
Sama na FC convenience store. FC.
FC convenience store.
FC.
No? See, this one, I'll show you.
Straight.
That one, FC convenience store. See, that's where we are. So I go up and then left. So up that way?
No.
You can't go through there.
Convenience. I don't know.
It must be down. It must be this way.
This way.
Yeah.
IT park this way.
Okay. Thanks for your help. car coming through. So there's a coffee store over there. Wonder what interesting stuff's down there. Hello. Hi, is FC convenience store?
No,
So
convenience, sir. Only ID Park. Going to ID Park.
Yeah, see, I'm looking for FC convenience store.
FC convenience store.
Yeah, see that one there. So this is where we are. I want to get to FC convenience store up there.
So up there.
So I go-
Park. Go
so
straight,
straight.
then right turn, then straight ahead.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
See you. Alrighty, getting close. Darren's Aussie adventures in the Philippines. There's some interesting off-the-track kind of stuff here. Maybe someone lives there, I don't know. There's a truck over there, it says province of Cebu. So not sure what that's about. We shall get to the convenience store. Now this is beautiful Cebu City. It's actually quite nice here today. It's not overly hot. It's probably about 20 something degrees. You can feel the humidity starting to pick up just a tad bit, but it wasn't humid at all yesterday, which was lovely. So yeah, and then it looks like there's a nice excuse me, frog in the throat. There's a nice bridge there, connects, leads somewhere in this big massive city. Oh, let's have a look through the fence here. There's lots of different old bottles in there. Motorbikes. I don't know where that leads to and what it's about. And then up above here, oh, we've got the bus behind us. Looks like there's some people having some breakfast maybe. Hello. Hi. Ah, different fooderies going on here. Now, this is probably one of the busiest intersections here in Cebu City. There's a few different food stores here. But we've got some chicken, different types of chickens, eggs there. It's delicious. Wow, so much to choose from. Lots of different side malls here. Ah, look, we've even got some cats. Hello. How are you today? Just enjoying all the chaos? Alrighty. Keep exploring. Got a couple of dogs just wandering. They got some sweets there. Got Lloyd's Eatery. Hello. Lots of different shops. A lot of activity going on this morning in Cebu City. Got some more different buy some Filipino dishes here. Hello. Hello. What kind of dishes do you have here? Hello. We're on the correct path. We're on Salina Street.
Aron dili mataas ang presyo sa pantok. Ikaduha,
Oh, people just throw their rubbish on the floor, which isn't very good. But it happens. Alright, I'm looking at the maps. I'm going the right way, which is good. Got people telling me to go the other way, but I think I'm on the right path, which is good. So there's a lot of different food eateries out here. A lot to choose from. To my right, looks like some construction going on. Yeah, feels good to be out of Australia. Hello mate, how are you? So it feels good to be out of Australia and on a bit of a holiday. Alrighty, so at the end of this road we're going to take a right and get to the convenience store. So it's a good thing we didn't follow the instructions of the security guard, because he was telling us to go the other way. So some street vendors. Just twist around the port here. Aha! We are at Cebu IT Park. Ta-da! Now there must be a convenience store. 140 meters, I believe.